Hello, class. My name is Jared Brandon, and today's podcast will be on parental involvement. Is it a friend or is it a foe within the context of higher education? Parents are increasingly involved in the lives of their college students, and colleges have noted the trend for several years now. As college parents have earned several less than flattering nicknames, everything from helicopter parents, which are hovering over everything that their student does, snowplow parents, which are pushing obstacles out of the way, or lawnmower parents, which are running over anything blocking their students' paths. But exactly how involved are parents in their college students' lives? Is the perception actually accurate? And although we know that students need to control their own lives, might there be benefits for parent involvement? Is the image of the hovering helicopter parent the most accurate portrayal of the relationship between the parent and their college-bound or college-attending student? Although the media have largely grouped parents into this broad category of helicopter parent, it's important for both administrators, faculty, staff, and researchers to remember that this image only represents an extreme group of parents, and it doesn't represent all parents. So to assess parental involvement in its true form, we need to consider what parental involvement really looks like. What does it mean for parents to be involved in their students' lives? Is it inherently bad? Has our education system or our society changed sufficiently in the recent years to justify a need for personal advocacy for our college students? What are the effects of parent-student relationship on both student and parents? What are its effects on the college? Is the definition of parental involvement standard for all college students, or does it differ based on specific factors, in particular socioeconomic class, parental level of education, or the cultural background? So just a couple of pros and cons of parental involvement. So one pro, recruitment. Recruitment efforts can definitely be bolstered when their students, family members talk with friends, neighbors, coworkers, or relatives about the positive experience their student has had at the university. Retention. When a parent is sold and they have faith in the institution and understands that our students are going to have problems, and problem solving is a part of student development, sometimes the parents are more likely to encourage persistence for the student to continue through their college experience, and they can definitely help in fundraising for the school. Some cons: the student might struggle with finding individualism, struggling to find their own identity, and parents can also sometimes they can interfere with personal life choices when we're wanting students to find that self-authorship, to really find who they are, and not basing it on external factors but on themselves, the choices that they want to make. So I was looking around just to see universities, what they were doing for parents, and one university that I found that's actually has really embraced parents in their university is the University of Virginia. On their website, it gives parents information on student life, on financial aid, on their academic calendar, on academics in general. It gives opportunities for parents to be involved in the university and with their students. It gives them an event calendar. It gives them social media access. It just really seems that Virginia has really embraced parents. I struggle finding many universities actually to even have any information out there for parents, or even a website on their actual school website. I was even looking at my own university and we didn't have anything for parents. So it appears that parental involvement in higher education will continue to be prevalent, and if anything, it will only increase. Colleges and universities cannot ignore this phenomenon or expect it to go away anytime soon. Instead, they must address the situation by determining positive ways parents can be involved in their students and their children's educational experience. Even though generational differences have received the most attention, there are a multitude of reasons for this change, and it is important that colleges and universities personally examine these areas and determine ways in which we can structure our campuses so they are most beneficial to our student. Here are my references, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.